Sisekulo-ke lolu daba mbukeli. Lokho oqokele ukungenela isikhundla sobumeya eqenjini le-IFP eGoli umlungisi Mabaso usedelule amasu akhe okulungisa isimo kulo masipala lapho ebalule khona okuseqhulwini okuhlanganisa ukulwa nokuthutheleka kwabokufika kuleli abangekho emthethweni, ukuletha uzinzo kwezezimali nokubhekana nenkinga esinesikhathi eside yenselelo zezindlu. uMabaso uthi iqhinga lakhe ke ligxile kakhulu ekunciphiseni ukukhangeza kuhulumeni, kodwa ke kunalokho kwakhiwa amathuba omsebenzi nawezomnotho azozuzisa izakhamizi. Uphinde ke wethembisa ukuletha uzinzo, ukulethwa kwezidingo zomphakathi kanye ke nokwenza kahle kamasipala njengoba elungiselela umbango walesi sikhundla lapho ezobebhekene khona nezimbangi okubalwa kuzo uHelen Zille we-DA kanye ke noHerman Mashaba we-Action SA.
Bulawayo, we accept the responsibility with humility and respect to work for the residents of the city of Johannesburg. I am the servant of the people and a proud volunteer of the Inkatha Freedom Party. Bulawayo, together with the leadership, you made a commitment to the members of the IFP that as a party we will deploy our capacity and resources to rescue the city of Johannesburg. The IFP will place economic growth and employment creation at the center of governance by rebuilding investor confidence, supporting local entrepreneurs and reviving industrial activities. The IFP will launch a Johannesburg economic recovery plan focusing on jobs and investment, reopen and revitalize urban industrial zones and manufacturing hubs, prioritize townships' economic development and local procurement, support informal traders and township entrepreneurs through infrastructure and access to market, fast-track approvals for investment and business development, release unused municipal land and buildings for economic activities, establish ward-based public works program focused on youth employment, partner with private sector and training institutions to expand skills development and apprenticeships, introduce feasible and sustainable strategies to revitalize the inner city, introduce a policy that will protect small businesses and township economy from foreign nationals that have stolen our local economy.